Today we are going to be talking about the scientific method. To demonstrate, we will imagine we are doing an experiment to see if plants really grow better when you put fertilizer on them. The first step when you are using the scientific method is to observe and research about the subject you are trying to learn about. Using our previous example, our observation is that plants grow better when they have fertilizer. The next step is hypothesis, which is what you think the outcome of your experiment will be. Based on that, our hypothesis is that the plants with fertilizer will grow better. The next step is to experiment and try to see if your hypothesis is correct. Our experiment would be set up like this. The fertilizer is what we would call the independent variable. It is the only thing that will be different. It is very important that you only change one thing in your experiment. For example, in our experiment, we cannot have different water amounts or use different types of plants. Continue to test your hypothesis, and while you do this, keep track of the results and data. Using the data, come up with a conclusion, which is the last step in the scientific method. Understanding the scientific method is good to use for experiments and keep it well organized. So based on what you just saw, which comes first, the hypothesis or the experiment?